Hey guys, what's up? Roby here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you using the Divi Form Builder. I'm going to show you how to set up your form modules so that the form submissions are saved to the WordPress database. I'm also going to be showing you how you can go in and review those submissions. So let's go. Alrighty guys, so here I've got a form I built earlier using the Divi Form Builder. I'm going to type in my name and just a dummy email, and I will sign the form and hit that submit button. Now, the form's submitted, but it didn't go to the database. So let me show you how we're going to change this form to make it submit to the Divi WordPress database. Okay guys, so here we are on the back end of that form we just tested. I'm going to go into visual mode, not that that's really pertinent to this particular tip, but we're going to go into the settings, and all you got to do is you're under main options, contact form, and then all the way down to where it says extra, you'll see save entries to database. You just flip that to yes, click that button, and then you'll save your form, and it will check and submit another entry on the front end. Okay guys, so let's refresh this page. It's refreshed, and let's try that again. Roby test at test.com, X marks the spot, and submit. Bam. Here we can see our form submitted. So let's hop in the back end. Okay, so in the back end of my Divi site, I just go to Divi Engine, Divi Form Entries, and here we can see our form. We can see that it's got one entry. Let's click on that. And here we see our entry saved to the database. Super simple. Essentially, you just flip one switch and then go to the right place in the background. So that's this Divi Engine quick tip for you. Thank you for checking this out. Definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these other quick tips for using any of our Divi plugins. This was Roby from the Divi Engine team. I'm going to catch you guys in the next quick tip soon.